I'm nervous so he chokes.
Lewis, man.
What? You're not supposed to make it in with the camera on.
Wait, you made it?
No, he did.
Hit the run back.
Oh, I thought it made it in.
Oh, that's a break. 4-2. 4-2. Okay, I hit my hat though. 4-3. 4-3.
That actually rolled around before it popped out. That was bullshit.
Damn it.
He's got a smirk on his face too. Look at him. Look at that smirk.
Hey, good game, buddy. Pea shooter. Good game, buddy. What was the number? Empty, no?
Round two.
No, wait. Play that. I'll record. Come loose.
I'm gonna
Get
lose.
smoked.
You're not supposed to. I can't shoot a ball and throw
I'll even
basket.
give you the advantage of going first.
Let's see. Can Lewis?
Wasn't even close. What?
Ouch.
You have to get the shot off the box.
He's swishing them now. So.
Not even close.
Oh man. Adoption? Yeah, adoption.
Oh,
I don't think that hit.
no, that did this.
Yeah, that.
That was a fail.
I don't think that hit either.
4-1.
Okay, yeah, that's game.
Good game.
Fail.
Anybody in the store can beat me?
Oh. Paul, you want to try? Orhan, go beat him, Orhan. Come on.
Somebody put him in his place.
No.
No. I win.
Technically, he would have made that, by the way.
I made it.